Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So today we're on a project that we need to complete in one day.
No introduction needed here. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. So this is a quick insight on the custom package. What is the custom package? This is when clients would request specific services, or this is when we're asked to come take a look at and restore the client's outdoor space. So apart from the custom, there's the silver package, which we have already touched on. There is also the gold and platinum, which we will touch on in the future. Friends, to earlier, it actually took us 2 days to complete. Do hope you enjoy the time lapse. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. All right. So as you see, we are finishing up with the front of the yard. We had to do the site cleanup afterwards. Of course, all the other areas is already weeded. You're gonna see some before and after pictures shortly. I will see you in the next. Peace.